Hello traders, this is Vinny with Traders Tip number 11. This is the trade of the day setup. We're looking at Cheetah Mobile, CMCM. On Friday, it showed up on the most active list where we commonly look for a stock to trade using this setup. However, when we mention it on the watch list, this is what you're looking for. The market opens, price action moves above the 9 and 20 EMA and immediately flags during the opening range from 9:30 to 10. Subsequent to that flag, price action breaks higher. This is the key entry point. Note SOTMA is climbing. Therefore, when price is above, we look for support. On pullbacks, a push higher. Price action rides along the 9 and 20 EMA into the lunchtime lull, and then immediately starts moving higher again. This is your second trigger. So now your stop has moved from this point to this point, and you follow the trend higher, continuing to look for flags and then a breakout of the flag pattern to place or trail your stops higher. Eventually the stock will show some signs of reversals, whether it's a reversal candle or a 9 and 20 crossover, but your stops generally are at the 9 EMA, a close below, and then a close below the 20 EMA, and you're out of the trade. It's important to note that you should only take trades when you see a bullish SOTMA and not when price action is flat. If we look at the most active lists and the most percent up and select a stock, we generally like to trade stocks that are above $10 per share using this method. So let's take a look at WLDN. Here is the daily chart. It's in a sector that's been receiving some attention. Note the daily is a triangle pattern. Price action broke higher. RSI was moving as well on above average volume. Let's look at the 5-minute. WLDN gives us a trade of the day setup. Price action gaps up in the morning, so we have a gap and go. We look for our first flag in this range right in here. We look for a follow through above these wicks. Important to note where the wicks are. These are sellers. Once they're taken out by the next candle, our stop becomes this level here at 31, and we continue with price action higher. We're looking for flags and buyers, as we see right here. These wicks denote buyers. We're looking for the next follow through or series of candles. Continue to move our stops higher as price action breaks out, and then at some point we're looking for reversal candles and a stop if the price action drops below the 9 and 20 EMA. At this point you're out of the trade and you've made a nice $1, $1.50 on this particular candidate. That is the trade of the day setup and the end of this video.